Hello everyone from Hannover Trade Fair. We are excited to be here at the Schneider Electric booth, which this year spans an impressive 1,900 square meters and hosts over 200 experts showcasing groundbreaking solutions. Here at ProLeiT section, we have Igor with us. Igor, could you please tell us what have you got?
Hey Francisco, thanks for introduction. Hello everybody. Here the topic is how to improve your cleaning place processes. As we know, cleaning place is essential to guarantee a food safety in production plants in CPG industry. Traditional CIP systems, however, face challenges such as high resource consumption, inefficient cleaning cycles, and very limited traceability. The software that we developed, CIPoptimize, faces these challenges, providing you a tool to optimize your stations, to save on resources, on chemicals, on energy, and to get a deep insight into your CIP processes.
Very interesting insight from the industry. How exactly does the software work? What behind the optimization, Igor?
Good question, Francisco. Behind the optimization is a very powerful tool which collects a real-time data and calculates more than 100 different KPIs to give you a deep insight into your CIP operations. It's not only about providing you additional KPIs. We implemented visual tools such as charts, trend analysis view, and the phase-by-phase cleaning report. These features give you contextualized data and enable operators to review cleaning performance based on real time. The software is designed to reduce the water, energy, and chemical consumption while enhancing cleaning efficiency. And besides the innovative methods to analyze the data, established standard technology like OPC-UA communication assures that the software is hardware and process control agnostic and that integrates seamlessly with the reality in running production plants. The web-based application is accessible from any browser with network access.
That sounds really like a powerful approach. We have already tested in real scenario. What results have you seen so far?
Not only tested, Francisco, we have already implemented the software solution with the tools in more than 60 plants globally. And what we have seen in our experience is that our customers, by implementing software, can achieve an average savings of 10,000 euro per line. For a typical CIP station, let's say 6 lines, we are talking about 60,000 euro of savings, which makes this software very attractive. Last year, we have improved the architecture. We made it more flexible and easy to implement. It uses the newest standard in communication like OPC-UA, encrypted communication for data acquisition, and we implemented different options to guarantee the cybersecurity in your production plant.
Impressive result. So, what's next for CIPoptimize? How do you see this evolving in the future?
That's a very good question, Francisco, and I'm very excited to tell you, our customers, that at the moment, this day, the CIPoptimize already provides you with the tools so you can make a data-driven decisions to optimize your CIP operations. We have a vision and we have invested a lot of resources in our R&D to implement new functionalities to keep improving our product. Our vision and a real game changer will be implementation of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will do the heavy work for our customers, and then they can base their time on more important tasks. The tool and the AI concept will maximize the savings in your CIP station, and we are a trusted partner for our customers to make a bold, smart, and data-driven decisions to optimize their CIP operations.
Thank you very much, Igor, for this insight in this amazing tool.
Thank you, Francisco, for stopping by.